So in the making of this video, I actually broke my toe, but good for you, I got it on film. I'll show you exactly how it happened in the video. So this is not the most ideal setup for a sim rig. I mean, look at this. Look at it move. It's like I'm trying to race on jelly. When I try to brake hard, I tend to roll back. I contacted the guys at Next Level Racing. But anyway, long story short, he sent me this. But first things first, we have to get rid of this. Hey look, it worked. Build time, just for the record, I'm starting this build at 10:30 at night. So I don't actually think I'm gonna get this done. This could be a 2-day thing. So if you see me change clothes, that's probably why. I've got the Next Level FGT cockpit here. The triple monitor stand, well, it's a single monitor stand too, and Matt at Next Level Racing kind of decided, maybe with slight persuasion from me, to throw in this Next Level Racing mat. Yes, I just did hit myself in the face with it. Let's put this out on the floor first. And if we can, try build it on top of it. Because I don't want to build it here and then try to move it over there. Because that's going to be probably difficult, because I think this is heavy. This is very heavy. I'm on the second story. And I struggled to get this up here. Getting it up the stairs was kind of difficult. Now, before I contacted Matt at Next Level Racing, I did do a little bit of research. There's not many F1 cockpits around. And I really wanted an F1 seating position. I just feel that would be the most comfortable for me. If you're gonna open the box with a knife, like what I just did, be careful, because they pack the leathery vinyl, I'm going to assume it's vinyl, I don't know, I haven't had a look yet, right on where you cut. So be careful with this. I didn't cut it, but be careful. So I got a little lumbar support cushion. The seat, or the seat back. And this would be the seat base. Good enough for my bum. Ugh. 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 This is pretty heavy. And these are all the parts that came in the box. And no, wheel and pedals not included. Just as I'm taking the plastic off this, I've noticed these two parts, and it's only these two parts, here and here. When I took the plastic off, I noticed they were shaking quite a lot. Don't know if you can hear that. There's a lot of metal filings in here. When you unpack these, don't do it on your carpet like what I just did, especially if you're wearing socks. Okay, so it looks like the first thing to do is floor posts. Oh, you know how I was saying the metal filings are just in those? Turns out I don't think it is. Listen. Is the microphone picking that up? Oh, some big chunks in there. This one nearly looks like it was cross-threaded in. Factory cross-thread. But it's not too bad. I think it'll be okay. Step 1 down. So step 7 consists of multiple different steps. This is for the formula style seating position. There is one for the GT style seating position. However, for this video I'll be setting it up in the formula style seating position because that's just what I want. Well, it's 3 o'clock. I've just been messing around with putting the wheel on and pedals and trying to get the setup right. Everything where I want it to be. Still a little bit to go. I still got to put on the feet. Still have to adjust the pedals a little bit. Still got the monitor mount. So yeah, still got a little bit to go. I'll finish that tomorrow. So it's now 1 o'clock the next day. I haven't managed to do much on this other than rearrange the pedals a little bit, because after I finished in here at 4 o'clock, I went into the bedroom and took off my sock, and it was all blood and my toe was purple, and I kind of broke my toe last night, so I had to go to the doctor today, get some x-rays and stuff. So yeah, 3 to 6 weeks it'll take to heal. Have to keep my foot elevated, which, I mean, I don't know about you, but I think this is the perfect sim rig to keep your feet elevated while you have some time off work. What do you think? So if you ever break your toe and you want a sim rig for that time, buy this. Foot elevated for your time off work. Hey, so I'm just editing this video. I'm thinking it's probably going to be 2 parts. I'm going to split the monitor stand video up into a different video. That doesn't make sense. Monitor stand part into a different video. Makes sense, no? And then in that video, I'm probably going to do my initial impressions of it all. Or just the setting up part. And then I'll do a separate review later on. So thank you for watching this video, everybody. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next video.